Even after 7 days, people are here lined up. The situation seems what it was 7 days ago. This ATM is close to UB City. I don't know, what is this branch called? The St. Mark's Road branch, SBI ATM. I'm going to get amongst people like me and you and check what is their opinion, how has been their experience so far.
Absolutely, I'm fine with this, and this is one of the best thing what Modi has done for
Perfect.
this country.
Perfect.
And I have hardly spent.
But I think that case is only at this ATM probably. Other ATMs there are trouble.
Forget about other ATMs.
No, I went
Just
to
tell
Corporation Bank, it was like this.
everywhere. Please don't send rumors across that there is a huge
Yeah.
list and people are not getting the money.
That's the ATM. And the queue goes all the way right there. And how long you been here waiting in the queue? 1 hour. 1 hour? Are you serious? You're here to deposit or withdraw?
I visited nearly the south of Bangalore and I came here for.
No, have you visited the ATM before this? I mean, were you successful in getting the?
I was successful. I think day before yesterday night.
You were able to get some cash.
Well, some that.
How has been your experience so far? Any difficulties without cash?
Yeah.
Lot of
100%.
difficulties?
Lot of difficulty. We have cash. We are penniless. we are penniless.
How long you been waiting here in the queue?
About 1 hour.
What is your opinion about this demonetization?
Actually, the rule is good, but public is suffering. The common people are suffering, and also they don't have sufficient change.
Sufficient change, sufficient
Hundred-
cash.
hundreds
Yes.
or 50 also you don't have, and also we take 1,000 rupees and go say give somewhere, we don't get change.
Oh yeah,
We got to pay
2,000. You mean
2,000
2,000?
rupees.
Yeah, 2,000.
So
Yeah.
in last 5 days I'm trying.
You're trying.
I'm not able to take it.
Oh my God! You stand in the queue. The cash gets over before your
I
chance.
Call, I'll go.
Oh, okay. How much money do you think you're gonna get now?
Now they are disposing only 2,500.
2,500. You have one card.
Money one card.
Just one card. How long do you think you can sustain with that 2,500?
I have not paid my house rent. For 5 days I should come take and then go to pay the house rent.
Yeah, but I think the owner also should be in a condition to understand
yeah,
the situation and give you some leniency, right?
Intention is good, no doubt about that, but it should have had more of an execution, which is lacking. And this is not the first time I'm standing in an ATM. Like since Saturday, I'm trying to withdraw, and
Oh my God.
the moment I reach there, cash is over.
Cash is over.
When I'm going to the bank, cash is over.
Cash is over, yes.
I'm from Calcutta. Extremely difficult for me to survive like that. With a 100 rupee note, I'm roaming around for the past 1 week.
What about the
And
debit and credit card?
Debit and credit card, auto person won't take a debit card. The small grocery shops won't take the debit or credit card. So all that should have been considered. People who are localized, they can manage, but people like us, living in a different city, away from family, it's very difficult.
This man looks very serious here. Sir, ಅಷ್ಟು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಕಾಸು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಸು ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ನೇರ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? 1:30 ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ 2:30. It's 2:30. I mean, he says he's waiting since 1 hour. ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ? ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ? ಸ್ವೈಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾಶೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಏನಾದರೂ ಮೆಸೇಜ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಏನು? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಸು ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಸಾಕು. Is your first visit to the ATM or you've already visited the ATM?
This is the second visit to it.
Second visit in the week?
Yeah.
That visit's cash was sufficient for you?
No, only 2,000. What will do? It will be gone in 1 hour. If PM wanted to black money holders to
Yes.
stand in a queue,
Yes.
but we common man are standing in a queue.
We common man are standing in queue. Yeah, perfect, exactly.
Yeah. What they will do? No, they will send their employees and someone else to bank and
Yes,
deposit
the rich
money.
will send their employees. Yeah. We have to come ourselves,
Yeah.
stand in a queue, leave our jobs, take leave,
Everything,
take permission, and we here. Sir, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಶಾಂತಕುಮಾರ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಿಂದ ನಿಂತಿದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
1 hour, 2 hours.
1 hour and 2 hours. ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಕೂಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಏನು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇದು ಡಿಮಾನಿಟೈಸೇಷನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋದಿಯವರ
ಕಷ್ಟ.
ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ 2,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ.
ಚೇಂಜ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ,
2,000 ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ATM ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯೂ ನಿಲ್ತಾರೆ.
ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಾ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್?
ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅರ್ಧ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ,
ಓ
ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ,
ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ,
ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ,
ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಖಾಲಿ
ಖಾಲಿ
ಆಯ್ತು,
ಆಯಿತು,
ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬೇಕು.
ವಾಪಸ್
ಈಗ ಕಾಸಿಲ್ಲ,
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹೇಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಓಹೋ ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್
ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡು
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೀವು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಆಯ್ತು,
ಕಾರ್ಡ್
ಕಾರ್ಡ್
use
ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ನೀವು?
ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ
ಬರೀ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ.
ತರಕಾರಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ,
ಓ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ?
ತರಕಾರಿ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲೇ
ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಗ್ರಾಸರಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ.
ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. So I saw him counting the cash. He was just out of the bank here. So did you withdraw the cash?
Yeah, I was exchanging the cash.
You exchanged. You gave the old 500,000. How much did you get?
Hundred
No,
rupees.
the total amount.
4,500.
Okay, the limit is increased to 4,500 now.
4,500.
How long did you have to stand here? Like,
Almost half an hour.
half an hour. Is this affecting your work?
Obviously. There's
Obviously.
a lunchtime I came here. There's
Oh,
already
you
2.5.
sacrificed your lunch to get
Yeah.
this money. How
Of course.
important this money is to you? Like,
Obviously, it is more important, essential for everybody's life, na?
perfect. Yeah. What is your opinion about this whole demonetization scene that's going on?
Good thought only, but it's affecting the normal life, day-to-day life.
Is Nitya.
Nitya, you.
I'm an auditor.
Oh, perfect.
Unless somebody really has a better alternative to propose than what Mr. Modi has done, we have no right to complain. And what he is doing is for our country, yep. So we need to bear with him. He has asked for time till December 30th. So we will bear with him. I was there when you were interviewing another person there, and I totally echo the sentiments of others where it is inconvenient, no doubt. But then I think it's something that we need to do to get our country out of this. for
Okay,
the
quick question. Are
betterment
you
of
a like Modi Bhakt or a Modi supporter?
Totally, totally.
Just out of curiosity, because a lot of pros only coming from
Yes.
the first. Okay, any
Everything
quick
is done.
suggestion to people how to like properly, balance things out? Like,
At this point, it actually helps us rethink on what we're spending on. Step one is plan your expenses, try to use your cards where possible, and keep your money for payments of, like, I've withdrawn money to pay my maid. So those kind of
I did it
expenses
too, yeah.
where we really need to use cash, we need to use it.
this
So
is also training
planning.
as one way, right?
Totally. It actually made me realize that I'm not just
What is
taking out
important
100
is-
rupees and just spending it here
Yes,
and
yes.
there.
That
So-
10, 20, 50, we are holding it back. with us.
Correct, totally. So I think it's all
Perfect.
in all.
Thank
good.
you so much. Thank you. Thanks for your time. I'm going to use this in my video. Do you mind?
No.
That is what they got to say. Somebody says it's really good. They totally support. They don't mind standing in the queue and waiting for the money. Some say it's highly inconveniencing them, to come out here, take leaves or take permission and stand in the queues and take the money. A couple of daily wage workers on the video, they say they don't have any idea about the debit and credit cards. They need cash for their daily survival and it's very difficult for them. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit like if you like this video. Bye bye. Take care until the next time.